Hey all, this is going to be a quick little video on how to use this graphing tool for nonlinear systems of inequalities. So we're going to have parabolas and lines in this section, so you just have to make sure, one, that you're using the right one for lines or parabolas, and two, if there's an equals, remember that's the kind where we want a solid line or a solid boundary on the parabola. If there's no equals, that's one where we want the dashed line. So to graph these, for this first one, I'll choose the parabola with the solid boundary because it has an equals. It would be shifted down 1 unit, so there's our vertex, and then stretched by a factor of 4, so instead of going up 1, it'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4 to there. If I tested 0, 0 on this one, 0 is greater than negative 1. So 0 is greater than negative 1, so I would want to shade the inside, and I do that by just clicking the third point there in the parabola. If I want to shade the outside, obviously I click out here somewhere. For this next one, I want to change graphing tools. We'll go to the linear one with the dash line because we don't have an equals. Our y-intercept is at 2, so that's right there. And then our slope is negative 2, so this is going to go over 1 and down 2. And then again, I'll test 0, 0 because it's the easiest point. So 0 is less than 2. That is also true. And so we'll shade over here. And then this region right here that's kind of purplish where the blue and the red overlap, that would be the solution set for this system. When you're graphing on paper on the test, kind of what I do is I just draw a couple little arrows showing I'm going to shade this side of the line, and I'll draw a couple arrows on the inside of the parabola showing I'm shading that, and then I just shade that region itself where they would overlap. Otherwise it gets really messy and hard to tell what's going on. But in terms of the computer, that's what you would